These are a few birds whose sounds are really dangerous. First is the Australian bustard. When this bird opens its mouth, it sounds like a lion roaring. If you don't believe it, just listen yourself. Next comes the screaming piha bird, whose call sounds exactly like a police siren. And last is the lyrebird, which is my favorite, because this bird can mimic any sound exactly. In the first clip, there was a baby crying loudly near it. Then see what happened. It can copy many other sounds too.